Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Mana. So we got rejected from our resistance area for the B wave, which I think is pretty cool. Because that's yesterday what we talked about. I think it was in yesterday's video, where first of all, throughout last week, we talked about the 38.2 fib level as a possible entry point for an A wave. And I know some of you entered here. I did read that in the comments in the last video. We have a very nice three-wave structure currently to the upside here in a possible B wave. And in yesterday's video, I think it was yesterday's, I gave you a target for the B wave. Not necessarily target, but a resistance area where if it's a B wave, it should get rejected from. Now, exactly here we got rejected. This is an area which is relevant for a B wave based on the count here. Between the 50% and the 78.6 fib level, even though the 78.6 is for a B wave in such a pattern actually already quite extreme. But it got rejected just before here. The 61.8 retracement at 75.7 cents comes down now quite impulsively, and we could be in the C wave already. Yeah, this is now going to be very interesting over the next few days. I'm not telling you we are, but this is obviously everything we see now. So from down here, trend reversal at the 38.2 fib. Then I gave you this resistance area. Watch it. Yeah, we got rejected. There you go. Now we could be in a C wave, and this would be another high probability and also long-term entry point here if we get there now. I mean, again, there is no confirmation. We're going to take a look now in a second at which levels we need to break to make this C wave quite likely to get confirmation. But this is the area between 56.4 and 40 cents. So here I would personally also scale up if we get into this region and add some long-term mana. Okay. For now, I mean, surely, this could be anything at this stage. We only saw an initial reaction and a rejection, but it's already quite an interesting signal that we broke below the previous low. That indicates certainly a short-term downtrend, okay? And I think if we now break below this last swing low here, which is at 65.9 cents, I think then we could be heading down further in a C wave into that region. Unfortunately, there isn't really much until then I can give you in terms of information, because there hasn't really been too much structure. I mean, we are now entering already the next support. As you can see here, this is a previous resistance at 70 cents. So next we would need to break below 70, and then here the 65.9 cent level, then 61.6. These are the next support levels, and this can only be prevented if the price turns around now imminently and breaks above 75 cents. But even then it could still be a B wave. But yeah, for now this structure looks very much like a three-wave structure, so I wouldn't be surprised if all of this is just a B wave and we start to see some selling pressure across the market. So it's getting really interesting. Just thinking if we can add anything with this trend line. Not really. Maybe that's actually a relevant one, because we had two wicks up here but not really anything substantial. So might be actually a relevant trend line that we've got here that might actually allow us to estimate target for the C wave. Yeah, I'll leave that on the chart now, depending on how long that takes. Yeah, in a zigzag you can do this sort of channeling technique to estimate a target for a C wave. But let's see if we actually will get there like that. I mean, that could take a while to get there. Okay, so let's see. I'll leave that on the chart, and that's, I think, for now all the information you need. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.